The year 2021 marks the 75th year of India's independence. To celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements, the Government of India announced Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. In this significant year, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched Gati Shakti National Master Plan that envisages developing an efficient, seamless, multimodal transport network. This program will help in seamlessly integrating the last-mile connectivity for the movement of people, goods and services, thus improving ease of living and ease of doing business. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated two national highway projects worth Rs 4,520 crore in Uttar Pradesh. To strengthen country's security and to protect the strategically important border locations, Honorable Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh and Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari jointly inaugurated emergency landing facility for the Indian Air Force on National Highway 925A in Rajasthan. This landing facility has been constructed by NHAI in a record time of 19 months. Honorable Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari took an in-depth review of the progress made on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Over 2 days, he visited cities of Delhi, Sona, Dausa, Bondi, Ratlam and Bharuch to review the progress of the Greenfield Expressway. Shri Nitin Gadkari laid the foundation stones for 4 national highway projects worth Rs 3,612 crore in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. He also reviewed the progress of the Zimur and Zojila tunnels. Shri Nitin Gadkari also inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of 12 national highway projects worth Rs 1,678 crore in Nashik. National highway projects worth Rs 4,075 crore at Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra were also inaugurated by Shri Nitin Gadkari. Shri Gadkari also inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of the 255 km long highway project worth Rs 1,945 crore in Amravati. Shri Nitin Gadkari and the Honorable Minister of State for Road Transport and Highways, General Retired V.K. Singh, visited NHAI headquarters in Dwarka, New Delhi. Shri Gadkari held a meeting to review the progress of ongoing various national highway projects. Various MOUs were signed to set up multimodal logistic parks around the country. These parks would help in reducing logistic costs and will provide seamless last-mile connectivity for the movement of goods and services. NHAI observed Vigilance Awareness Week from the 26th October to 1st November 2021. The week started with an integrity pledge taken by all the officers of NHAI. On this occasion, a workshop on public procurement, a vigilance perspective, was also organized at NHAI headquarters. During the week, similar activities were also undertaken at different field offices. Shri Giridhar Armane, Secretary Road Transport and Highways and Chairman NHAI, released Vigilance e-Bulletin Sachatan. In his address to officers, Shri Armane emphasized on working with integrity while making decisions. हिंदी के प्रयोग को बढ़ावा देने के लिए NHAI में 1 से 14 सितंबर तक हिंदी पखवाड़ा मनाया गया। हिंदी के प्रचार प्रसार के लिए विभिन्न कार्यक्रम तथा प्रतियोगिताएं आयोजित की गई, जिसमें सभी ने बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया तथा राष्ट्रभाषा में अपनी दक्षता का प्रदर्शन किया। पखवाड़े की समाप्ति पर पुरस्कार वितरण और कवि सम्मेलन का भी आयोजन किया गया। NHAI bagged 3 awards at the 11th PRCI Communication Excellence Awards 2021. NHAI won the Excellence Gold Award for its bi-monthly digital newsletter, Rajmarg. NHAI was also conferred with 2 silver awards in categories Excellence Award for COVID Management in Public Sector and Excellence Award for the Radio Campaign. As Gati Shakti National Master Plan will provide a platform for the development of integrated framework, NHAI remains persistent in working towards its collective resolve of nation building and creating an unmatched national highway infrastructure in the country. NHAI, building a nation, not just roads.